Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different turmeric scrubs that you can use on your body to get rid of discoloration, dark marks and scars, and healthy glowy skin. So if you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first recipe is going to be turmeric and honey. And honey has exfoliating properties. Using it on your skin can help eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This can relieve brighter skin. Turmeric is known for its anti-hyperpigmentation properties that help to fade dark acne scars as well as dark spots on the body. So you're just going to mix the turmeric powder as well as the honey together until you get a thick paste consistency. I would suggest using this scrub at least once to twice a day. The second body scrub contains aloe vera gel and turmeric powder. Aloe vera has been found to have many health benefits for the skin, from helping to heal wounds to moisturizing. Aloe vera applied to the skin helps to reduce the appearance of dark acne scars as well as dark spots. So you're just going to mix the turmeric powder and the aloe vera gel together until you get a thick like paste consistency. And from there, you just want to apply it to the skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you want to use this for at least once to twice a day. So the third body scrub is going to contain bentonite clay, turmeric powder, and apple cider vinegar. Using bentonite clay will help reduce the look of blemishes and dark spots, lifting away the darker dead skin cells on the skin and revealing new healthy skin below. So you're going to mix all 3 ingredients together until you get to the desired consistency that you would like. And once you apply it to the skin, you're going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes before washing it off. And you want to use this body scrub at least 1 to 2 times a week. And the fourth body scrub is going to be shea butter and turmeric powder. Shea butter is known to be a skin superfood that nourishes skin to promote its clarity and addresses skin problems such as dryness, blemishes, dark spots, discoloration, stretch marks, and wrinkles without clogging the pores. So what you want to do is you're going to mix the shea butter with the turmeric powder until you get a thick like consistency. Then you're going to apply it to the skin, and then you're going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes before washing off. And then you want to use this at least once or twice a day. So for the past few months, I have been dealing with some skin issues. So a few months ago, I got some ingrown hairs on my legs. I don't know where they came from. This is the first time I've experienced ingrown hairs on my legs. So, but I got that under control. If you guys want to see my current skincare routine, I'll go ahead and leave that linked in the description box. But after the ingrown hairs went away, I was left with some dark spots on my legs, and then on my feet, I had got some mosquito bites. So I've been using these different variations of the turmeric body scrubs to help reduce the dark spots on my legs and feet. What I do is I'll just massage it into my skin in a circular motion, and then I'll just leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and wash it off when I go to take a shower. And then I'll just follow that up with some type of moisturizer. I like to use Shea Butter as my moisturizer, and that's about it. So I just wanted to share with you guys, if you guys are dealing with any dark spots on your body and you guys were looking for some type of scrub to help with that, I would definitely recommend one of these 4 scrubs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.